Today I'm going to try to figure out how to make my own kerfed linings. This is an example of some kerfed linings. It's bendy and breaks pretty easy. And for an example, here's some kerfed linings. It goes inside and bends and glues to the sides all the way around on both sides. So I've got some leftover guitar bracewood. I've got this thinned down to about where it needs to be, which in this case is 8 millimeters. I'm going to try to slice it into 4 separate pieces. And then I'm going to take this jig that I just made today and try to put some kerfs in it and make it bendy so it'll fit in that mandolin. Just so you know, the spline in there is made out of some feeler gauges that I got off of this one and stacked them to make them about the same thickness as the bandsaw blade. So you can see how I have it set up. I've got the blade all the way inside this kerf with only about 5 millimeters showing through the front. I've got a clamp clamping it down. And I've got this piece clamped to the back of the table so that I don't push it, away over time and make that kerf deeper. But it seemed to work out pretty well. As you can see, I've got all 4 parts here done. And I guess they're good to go into the mandolin. And one thing to point out is this is how the original piece of wood looked. So because of the way the grain was running, I had to slice it into 4 individual pieces and then run each piece through the blade. Had the grain been oriented the other way, I could have only done 1 pass. For example, imagine these are the kerfs. I could have done 1 pass through the blade and then sliced all those out. It would have been much easier and saved a lot more time, but anyway, it's not how it was. That's why, in case you're questioning, that's why I did 4 separate pieces, one at a time.